Okay, guys, a very good morning, all of you. So, in this class, I am going to discuss with you the difference between manual accounting and computerized accounting. So, what is manual accounting? In that means the manual accounting means a traditional accounting system in that the all people's or manually the works will be done by the users. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, in school, colleges, when you are learning a new subject, that is accountancy. Okay, in that time also you require a pen, pencil, and register book or otherwise book or a paper to solve the accounting problems, to maintain the transaction, sales, purchase, so like that. That kind of accounting is called as manual accounting. So nowadays all the businesses are using a different kinds of softwares. So those softwares maintaining all the transactions in a systematic order, plus all the transactions are calculated automatically by that software. So that kind of a software is called as a computerized accounting software. Means that software is installed in your system, no? So that's why that computer is considered as a computerized accounting information system. Okay, that is maintaining all your computer information transactions in a systematic order. Okay, which is having a many advantages comparing to the manual accounting. Let us see what are those differences between the manual account and a traditional account. I think you all are active. If all are active, then you can raise your hands, guys. Ellaru active idire anta ankodini. I want to know how many of you active. 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 15. Only 15, 16, 17, 18. Only 18 among the 24. 19. Then remaining 6. Okay, anyway, 19 students, listen here carefully. What are the difference between the manual account and a computerized accounting? Now I am sharing the screen. If it is visible, then you can raise your hands, guys. Okay, this is actually very easy concept, guys. It's a very easy concept, but we need to know this one. What are the differences here? Okay, the basis of comparison, we are comparing the manual accounting and the computerized accounting here. Manual accounting are prepared, all the transactions are maintained by the human beings. So that kind of accounting is called as manual accounting. Computerized accounting means that all the transactions are maintained by the single PC with the help of the software. That system is called as a computerized accounting information system. Okay, that accounting transactions or operations are done by that computer, no? So that's why that accounting informations are calculated by the computer. So that's why here they are took the computerized accounting here. Okay, you can perform the accounting transactions in manually as well as with the help of computers, but both are having many advantages as well as disadvantages. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು advantages disadvantages adavri idrolaga. Before that, we need to know we are comparing the two accounts, that is manual account and a computerized account. First, a difference between the both. First is the meaning. First, we need to know what is a manual accounting and a computerized accounting. Already you know what is a manual accounting. Once again, you can read here. The meaning of the computerized accounting is, the meaning of the manual accounting is, manual accounting is a system of accounting. Yes, of course, this is also one of the system of accounting, because here we are managing, maintaining, performing the accounting information, no, accounting transaction, no. So that's why this is also considered as a system of accounting. So that uses the physical registers and account books for keeping financial records. Yes, of course, in a manual accounting, they are using many register books, account books, day books, like that. There are many books are there. So in that particular book only, they are maintaining all the financial transactions of your business. How many financial transactions occur in your business? All the information are stored in the physical. Physical means what? We can touch that one. As you can see here, this is your textbook. Computer application 6th sem textbook. So this is one of the book here. And touching this one means this is a physical existence. This is physical existence. Okay, this is physical. Okay, logical means what? We can know about that, but we cannot touch that one. That is called as a logical. So in a manual accounting, the register book, account books, day book, there are different types of books are there. So we can touch that one. So they are considered, they are considered that books are physical books. Okay. In a manual accounting, it is a type of accounting. It is a system of accounting. That accounting uses the many physical books that are registered book or account book. For why? Because to maintain the all the transactions that are financial transaction occur in a business. Business ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟುರ್ದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರೆದಿಡಾಕ ಆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಚ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ. Manual accounting is a type of accounting that uses a physical register and account books for keeping the financial transactions in a manual accounting. But in a computerized accounting, so what is the exactly meaning or a definition? Why? What is the computerized accounting here? So computerized accounting is an accounting system. Yes, of course, this is also one of the accounting system that is also maintaining the operations or transactions in a systematic order. Okay, that uses a accounting software. Yes, of course, this software uses this computer. This system contains a software. Now I'm having a computer. Okay, I'm creating a company. I'm creating a ledgers here. I'm creating a group, and I'm creating the godowns here, and I'm creating the different transactions, means different accounts, that is sales account, purchase accounts. Okay. So whatever I'm creating the accounts now with the help of the software. So that software we need to install in a system. So I'm currently using software is a Tally ERP9. Okay, that is also one of the accounting system. Okay, that perform all the transactions automatically without a human beings. Only one person is required to perform those transactions. Okay, so computerized accounting is an accounting system that uses a accounting software. So accounting software means what? Those softwares they perform the accounting transactions. So that kind of a softwares are called as an accounting software. Okay, why that system containing accounting software? Why? Because for recording the financial transactions electronically. Electronically means what? With the help of the electricity. Means your computer without electricity it cannot run. Your laptops, before using that laptops, we need to charge the laptop now, or you are using a particular PC, personal computers, that is also require electricity now. So whatever the transactions takes place in an organization, you need to maintain the in a systematic manner with the help of that software. Okay, all the transactions, that is financial transactions, are record in a systematic order with the help of electronically. Okay, thus all are performed electronically or automatically. Okay, once again I repeat this statement, the meaning of the computerized accounting. That is, computerized accounting is an accounting system. Yes, of course we know that. Plus that uses an accounting software. That system uses a software. Which software? Accounting software. Why? Because recording all the financial transactions occurred in your business. Okay, that recording in a electronically, all the financial transactions electronically. This is the meaning of the computerized accounting. Then the second one, recording. In record ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ manual accounting, computerized accounting in record ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, the manual accounting recording is possible through the book of the original entry. Okay, which recording? ಏನ್ record ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗ್ record ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ with the help of the books only. Okay, recording is possible through the book of the original entry. Through the original recording is possible through book of original entry, but in this data content is recorded in a customized database. As you can see here, one original entry in one book iruttri, main book, that is act as a manual database. Okay, idukku database ಏನು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ manual account ಒಳಗೆ. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು original entry ಇರುತ್ರಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು book ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, recording is possible through book of original entry. ಒಂದು book ಇರುತ್ರಿ, ಆ book ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ book ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, system contains its own database. All the transactions, all the financial information are stored in that database only. Okay, data content is recorded in a customized database. Create ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Customized database means what? Database create ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಂದ್ರ mans. That is why they are using a customized database. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಹಂಗ database create ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಬುಕ್, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್, which calculate the all the calculation is performed manually. Here ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮನುಷ್ಯರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. human beings are involved here. They are involving to calculate all the transactions occurred in your business. Okay, calculations hang ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ manually ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ hang ಆಗ್ತಾವ calculations ಅಂದ್ರ only data input is required. The calculations are performed by computer system only. Here calculations are performed manually. Here calculations are performed by the system. System ತಂತಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Calculation, all the calculation is performed manually in a manual account. In a computerized accounting only data is required. Just inputs ಇದ್ರ ಸಾಕು. ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬರೆದಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋ ಜरूरते ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ರೀ? ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ಡ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ರೀ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಅದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ದವರು. ಓಕೆ, 26. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್, yes of course, which is slow. Why? Because which require many lot of time to perform the to record the information in that book. Why? Because a book ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪೆನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅಂದಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬಟ್ comparing to the computerized accounting, this is slow, but computerized accounting is very fast. Why? Because ಇದು electronically automatic ಆಗಿ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಹಳ ಜरूरत ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Many people don't know the mathematics, how to calculate, how to multiply, how to divide, how to calculate the percentage, sigma and cos sin theta. There are many mathematical operations are there. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. So like that they don't know the formulas also. Okay, that's why which requires a lot of time to perform the particular operations. Okay, but in a computerized accounting already predefined mathematical operators irtavi. By using those one you can perform the transaction easily, very fast also. Okay, that's why computerized accounting is fast, manual accounting is slow. Okay, all are active now guys, raise your hands. All are active now? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 students are active. 18. Among the 26, only 18 students are active. 27 ಒಳಗ 18. Then where are remaining 8 students? Okay. Anyway, next, 4 differences between the computerized accounting and a manual accounting. Okay. Anyway, okay, fine. Next, adjusting entries. Okay, it is made for rectification of errors. In a manual accounting it cannot be made for rectification of errors. Okay, fine. Twenty-one. Okay, adjusting entries. Okay, fine. Then the okay, the fifth difference between the manual accounting and computerized accounting, that is adjusting entries. It is made for rectification of error. Actually, adjusting entries. Why? Because finding the errors as well as putting something to find that errors, to solve that errors, that is called as a rectification of errors. Actually, manual accounting is made for rectification of errors. ಅಂದ್ರೆ error ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕರ್ ಆಗತ್ತವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, which kind of a decision we need to take. Okay, but in the computerized accounting it cannot be made for rectification of errors. ಇದು ಎರರ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಎರರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗಾಕತ್ತಾವು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Just only which is used for maintain the transaction systematically and perform the required transaction automatically, which gives the accurate result within a 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, within a second, within, I mean, as well as fast comparing to the manual accounting. That is slow, this is fast. Actually, it is made for the rectification of errors, and actually this is not used for the rectification of errors. Okay, adjusting entries. It is made for rectification of errors. Means any errors occurred in a transactions in a your business. So that's why ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಕ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಎರರ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ? ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎರರ್. ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as a rectification here. Actually, the computerized accounting is not used for the rectification of errors. Actually, this is used for the which perform the transactions automatically and very fast. So that's why this is used. Okay, here backup not possible in a manual accounting. Yes, of course, backup is not possible. Okay, why? Because all the transactions maintained in a register book, account book, or any particular documents in a form of documents. In the form of documents means what? Which contains the paper only. So that's why it's not possible. Hang the paper backup madang barangilla. It's not possible the backup in a manual accounting. But in a computerized accounting, the entries of transactions can be saved and backup. ಏನೇನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ transactions are saved ಆಗ್ತಾವ, as well as which store automatically in a database. Backup ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Backup. If suppose any problems occurred, your database corrupt ಆಯ್ತು, system corrupt ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can easily get back, recover the all the information by using this kind of a software. Okay, this is a very big advantage of computerized accounting. Okay, that's why they are using the computerized accounting in many software industry as well as many businesses. That is backup not possible in the manual accounting. Backup is possible. First, which save the transactions as well as which backup the transactions. Then trial balance prepared when necessary. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ trial balance. But in a computerized accounting, instant trial balance is provided on daily basis. Daily basis ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, trial balance ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ computerized accounting ಒಳಗೆ. Next, financial statements. It is prepared at the end of the period or quarter. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ financial statements? It is prepared. Financial statements are prepared at the end of the period. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 month or one year ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇತ್ತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಾಲ್ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಿಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗ್ಯಾಗ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ. ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. or quarter wise, 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ. Okay, you can generate the financial statements whenever you want. It's at the end of the period or the quarter wise, first quarter, third quarter, fifth quarter, so like that. But in a computerized accounting, it is provided at the click of button. It is provided at the click of button. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ financial statements ಈಗ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ just you can click a button. So which button generate the financial statements? Financial statements means what? Sales statement, purchase statement, or overall business financial statements you want, then you can generate whenever you want. Okay, this is the difference between the manual accounting and a computerized accounting. Any doubts guys in these? Only 4 to 5 days are required to complete your first unit guys, so that's why I'm going very slowly. and these are also very important as well as very easy topics. I hope you understood the topic, today's topic. Okay, in the manual accounting, humans thinking is very important in this. Humans thinking, making judgments in a manual account. Human thinking means what? Here, the multiple humans are involved to perform the transactions, or calculate the transactions. Many people are involved. So, hange transaction ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. Before going to entry ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ first they think about that. ನಾ correct ಮಾಡಾತೀನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ. ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ತಪ್ಪೇ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪೇ ತಗೋತದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ದಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೈಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪೇ ತಗೋತದೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಾತೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, error acceptability limit will be less and the person doing the accounting process should be attentive. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಭಾಳ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ಅವ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಂದ್ರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ. ಇನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಆಕರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ರೀ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅವ್ರ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬಹುದು, ಬೇಕಲೇನೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರ based on your input data. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ತಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಒಟ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, actually the manual accounting information totally depending on the paper, guys. Yes, of course, manual accounting is totally depending on the paper. So here in the computerized accounting they are totally eliminate the paper, and however one can hard copy printouts or report. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ totally the papers are eliminated. But in the manual accounting, actually manual accounting is totally dependent on the paperwork only. So this is the difference between the manual accounting and the computerized accounting. Okay guys, read once again. You also once they odkori. Okay guys, this is end of your class now. In the next class I come up with a detailed computerized accounting information structure, system structure, which contains the many models as I told in the last class only. That is payroll system, account receivable, account payable, and there are many models are there, no? So the each and every explanation will be explained in the next class. So that concept is very important, and that is asked for the 15 marks in a 2018 or 2019 ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳಾರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳಾರಿ 15 marks question. So that will be explained in the next class. So don't miss the next class, guys. Okay, until then take care, bye bye. Thank you all of you.